Titan, we believe in the power of design to create lasting impact. Through the Design Impact Initiative, we are nurturing scalable, design-led solutions to tackle some of India's most pressing challenges. One of the key programs under this initiative is the Design Impact Awards, a platform that identifies and supports mature startups with scalable, high-impact innovations. These entrepreneurs aren't just solving problems, they're transforming lives. The first edition of the awards supported hard good product innovations across sectors such as health, agriculture, and sanitation, impacting communities across India. The second edition focuses exclusively on design solutions for water, one of the most critical challenges facing India today. These cutting-edge technologies, from net-zero sewage treatment plants to IoT-based solutions for water pipes to smart irrigation and others, are on their way to save water and improve systems significantly. After multiple rounds of evaluation, expert reviews, and due diligence, we are proud to announce 6 winning projects. Each solution reflects the potential to drive systemic change. Each of these awardees will receive a 50 lakh rupees grant along with incubation support to help scale their work and amplify their impact. While these solutions focus on scale, what about the early stage ideas that have the potential to become tomorrow's impact ventures? To inspire and nurture the next generation of changemakers, the Design Impact Movement program under the initiative builds movement around social design and empowers young minds through workshops, mentorships, and immersive experiences. This year, under the movement, we launched NEST, the National Entrepreneurship Program for Social Transformation. A year-long pre-incubation program, NEST supports social entrepreneurs to take their ideas to market. NEST offers a structured approach to integrate social design values, build a business plan, and create a social enterprise. It focuses on ecosystem building, reaching out to colleges across India, especially design and engineering institutions. Through human-centered design workshops and mentorship, students are guided to identify social challenges and work on projects that matter. The program also brings together the expertise of several partners to implement and strengthen its impact. Together, the Design Impact Awards and the Design Impact Movement represent 2 vital programs under the Titan Design Impact Initiative, one supporting scalable ventures and the other nurturing the seeds of change. As we move forward, our vision remains clear: to design for impact, empower entrepreneurs, and build a more equitable world, one solution at a time.